Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Gaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install a mouse and keyboard on over to your LG TV. So I just have it wired right here, and this is very easy to do. And you just simply have to plug it into the back of the TV. So you're going to have like 2 or 3 different USB slots. So USB will look like this, and I have a USB hub. This gives me 4 additional ports, so there's only 2 on my TV. So I got my mouse and keyboard all in one. And then all I have to do is plug this into the back. So it's going to be the first slot way up top. It's going to say USB in. So just simply plug that in. And then this should work like immediately. So let me just plug this in. Then you can go to like the web browser or do whatever you want to do on here. So is it plugged in? You're going to see something say that it's plugged in. Then I got my mouse right here. And you're going to be able to see the cursor. The cursor is going to switch on over to an actual cursor now. Then I think if I press the Windows button on my keyboard, I can return back to the home screen if I'm on a different source. So let's say I'm on the PlayStation 5 source right now. I can tap this keyboard Windows button, go back to the home screen. So you might want to use that on like the web browser right here. You can open this up and then we can go to a website. Let's go to weather.com just because that's an example I can type in. Press enter, and then you can see the cursor. So it looks like there's a cyclone or something over here. Maybe that's Japan or something. I can click on this. And this is actually working quite well today. So very simple. If you're using a USB mouse and keyboard, maybe it's got like a little dongle with it too. You can just put the dongle in the back of the TV, and then you got a combination like that. So you might actually get something like with a trackpad all in one, and that will work very good on your TV too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.